Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to handle calls with Newton customer service and how to send BTC from Newton. I know that these can be two pretty daunting tasks, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through everything step by step. So let's get started. How to handle calls with Newton customer service. 1. Be prepared with your information. Before you call Newton customer service, make sure you have all of your information handy. This includes your account number, email address, phone number, transaction history. Having this information readily available will help you get the help you need more quickly. 2. Be patient. Newton customer service can be busy, so you may have to wait on hold for a while. Be patient and don't get frustrated. 3. Be polite. It's important to be polite to the customer service representative you're talking to. They're just trying to help you, so there's no need to be rude or impatient. 4. Be clear and concise. When you're talking to customer service, be clear and concise about your problem. Tell them exactly what you're having trouble with and what you need help with. 5. Be understanding. Customer service representatives are people too, and they can only do so much. If you're having a problem that they can't solve, be understanding and don't take it out on them. 6. Follow up. If you don't get the help you need during your first call, be sure to follow up with customer service. You can do this by emailing them or calling back at a different time. How to send BTC from Newton. 1. Sign into your Newton account. To send BTC from Newton, you first need to sign into your account. You can do this by going to the Newton website and clicking on the Sign In button. 2. Click on the Send button. Once you're signed in, click on the Send button. 3. Enter the recipient's address. Next, enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Make sure that you double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. 4. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Once you've entered the recipient's address, enter the amount of BTC you want to send. 5. Click on the Send button. After you've entered the amount of BTC you want to send, click on the Send button. 6. Confirm the transaction. You'll be asked to confirm the transaction. Once you've confirmed the transaction, your BTC will be sent to the recipient. I hope this blog post has helped you learn how to handle calls with Newton customer service and how to send BTC from Newton. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're having trouble sending BTC from Newton, you can contact customer service for help. You can also find help on the Newton website or in the Newton app. It's important to be patient when sending BTC from Newton. The transaction can take some time to process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.